Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is MUNGAI'S family, and today we have been on a journey from home, and we are going to check on a few projects. Uh, the first one being of poultry farming, that is broilers, improved kienyeji, and we decided to get one for our supper today. And today I want to slaughter one for my wife. So welcome, go with me to the kitchen and enjoy as we prepare that sweet supper. Welcome. Hello guys, so this, as I told you, this is the improved kienyeji, and I want to slaughter it for my wife. So welcome as I cut the neck. I also do the feathering. So welcome. So for my wife. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's almost. It's very It's now wood. It's now wood. You can get all the feathers. You can do the feathering now. Where do we start from? And guys, in the comment section, can you tell me between improved kienyeji and broilers, which one has sweet meat? For me, I prefer improved kienyeji than broilers. So we are doing them. Since the water was very hot, you can see it's very fast. It's not giving me some headache. Can you finish this? Can you eat this alone? This is a saucer too.
Hi, babe.
Welcome for supper. Welcome. I want to add some more boiling water.
Okay,
This part is
babe. Unachoma. Unachukua nini ya unga surely?
nakaa iko na mafuta 13 weeks. How many months are those? Yes.
We are also sailing.
So imagine guys, we got this from our farm. Just one of them. We have many of them. You can give your owners. If you need one, just call me. Book 1 or 2 or 20 or 30. Free delivery. If you want, by the way, if you want broilers, you can place your orders. You want 50, you want 30 broilers, you can place an order and we are going to deliver them for you.
Na hiyo kuku imenona tu miguu. We.
Kapumpu. Kona tu miguu kapumpu. Nakaa tamu. Babe, utashiba hii? Babe.
Utakula peke yako?
Utashiba ama nikule peke yangu? Utafutie ingine kesho.
Ona hiyo mguu.
Nakaa.
No. Mguu tusingepeleka hizo nyama maybe kwa feathers ama huku kwingine. Sasa vidole zinatoshana hivyo.
Nani amoyo kuku kama hii? It looks sweet. Nakaa sweet. Nakaa tamu. Nani anahitaji?
But babe, so ungefanyia hivyo kwa sink.
By the way, next time hiyo nyingine nitafanyia.
Sawa.
So guys, we are done with the defeathering. Defeathering nimesema ni kutoa manyoya. And now we want to remove the inner parts or the offal. So I'm going to make a cut here so that we can get out the waste that is usually inside here. So as you can see, how do you do it, guys? I'm just going to do an opening here. Very good. Very nice. So we want to get out this waste. Nice. Then we will pull. Hapa ni mahali chakula inakaa kuku ikikula. So making a cut inside. Sijui wewe unachinjanga aje. So I want to get out.
Kuna vitu fresh ndani.
Nakaa smart.
Kaitu kama like kuku ya kienyeji venye ni chafu.
Nakaa smart. So hizi zinaitwa aje? Are they small intestine?
Mara.
Unaziita aje kwa lugha yenu? So as you can see, I wanted to get rid of these ones. You can tell me what is this called in your mother tongue? This one. Then we have this one else here. You can just write for me in the comment section. And also this one. I've seen this one. Give me the name of this one. Then this one. Then there is something else.
Babe, kwa nini niko na swali?
Yes.
Kwa nini wanaume huwa wanaambiwa ndio wanakula hiyo?
Gani hii?
Hiyo. Kwani wanawake wakikula kunaenda aje?
Kama watafeint. Baidhe tuambieni hapo kwa comment section. Mbona wanaume ndio kutoka kitambo zamani walikuwa wanaambiwa wanakulanga hii. this thing. We are going to get it out.
Guys, on the comment section, let us know.
Yeah, then kuna aka kitu kana kuanga chuka kali sana, kakali sana. Aka
kakua. Unajua ndawa ya malaria.
Wewe unatundanganya. Ni ndawa kweli? So guys, tuambieni kazi ya hiyo kama ni ndawa. So guys, I want to get rid of this one. Inafanya kuku inatoa waste. We are almost there. I don't want us to mess. So we wanted to get rid of this. As you can see, we are done. And so